hallelujah. Okay, marvelous children of God, will you like hallelujah? Shout hallelujah in the Lord's seventh time. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Amen. Jesus. Oh yeah, what
It's only God that can do all things for us. But we want you to know this. Mark 10,
verse 29 and 30.
verse 29. From this mark that we are going to read, there is a covenant promise established because of you that if you diligently obey his instruction, there's a promise there which will be fulfilled on you today.
Hallelujah. 29 and 30.
And Jesus answered and said, Verily I say unto you,
verily I say unto you,
there is no man that hath left house, or brethren, or sisters, or father, or mother, or wife, or children, or land, for my sake, and the gospel. For ye shall receive an 100-fold. Now in this time, houses, and brethren, and sisters, and mothers, and children, and lands, with persecution, and in the world to come, eternal life.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Everything you did in the presence of the Lord will be rewarded 100-fold to you. Therefore, bring your thanks offering today like that of Abel. Remember that God owns your spirit and your life. God owns your life. 2 Corinthians
chapter 9 in the verse 6 and 7. So
verse 6 and 7.
Second Corinthians.
Chapter 9.
And he will sow it bountifully shall reap also bountifully.
Yes.
Every man according as he has purposed in his heart, so let him give, not grudgingly or of necessity. For God loveth a cheerful giver.
Yes. Hallelujah.
We are giving it to you as a teaching aid so that you can learn something from. What are you grabbing so much? We'll leave it one day. If you don't leave it, it's going to leave you.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. This man we are talking about.
That is
this man is from Akure. As we are talking right now, it's in the mortuary. About 3 Fridays back, people who were in Akure about 3 Fridays back, about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, they will testify to what we are saying now. That they did all, people do all the good.
Not people. I myself, we tried to protect him.
Our Father in the Lord did what he could divinely do.
No, I don't know what you're going to share it is.
Death that came suddenly.
Oh, they do all
received our Father in the Lord.
Yes.
He saw it that he might not round this year unless there is a deliverance. Material prescribed was agreed to.
Yes, they were one about the pool. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
I want to support to back to Tuesday.
So we agreed the next Tuesday, come for this deliverance. We cannot be lying against him. He's very young to our father.
Hallelujah.
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 Before God and man, we are supposed to go to the beach side, and he cancelled it. We were waiting. We were waiting and waited and waited. 10 o'clock, he didn't come. It became very late. He didn't come at all.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. The next day, we waited for him. We didn't see him again.
Friday.
And our father the Lord and had to go to the beach. On Thursday, as God is our witness, he was at the roundabout, Badagry roundabout. This man that was supposed to go for the deliverance was at the church gate knocking and called our father that they should open the door for him. And our father replied that as you are talking to me right now, I am in Badagry. And as I'm going this morning, I have to pray at 6 o'clock before leaving the seaside. If you are bragging, you can do this, you can do that. It's because you are still alive. When you are dead,
now, someone, if you have no top of 11 because 12 o'clock in my prayer, you told me, but the God of she, I don't have 3, King 6, can we told you what it to me. So, for my little what to me, meeting here on what of Padasakura, don't know what next week, but it's too late. Saturday.
What our father is telling us is that he refused, for a reason best known to him, to keep his spiritual appointment. So that the spiritual because he refused to keep the appointment, and from his spiritual observation, there are some forces behind his refusal to keep the appointment. And that is why eventually he did not come for the deliverance and finally he now told our father in the Lord that when he comes back in November, he will come for the deliverance. Now he's now in mortuary. The book of Ecclesiastes, chapter 9,
verse 7.
From verse 7.
Go thy way.
Go thy way.
Eat thy bread.
Eat thy bread.
And drink thy wine with a merry.
Hallelujah.
For God now accepted thy works.
Oh yes.
Let thy garments be always white.
Oh yes.
And let thy head lack no ornament.
Hallelujah. And go walk. Olúwa ní gbàgbọ́ àkíkọjọ́ ọlọ́jọ́lọ́ kò bá wọn yá iṣẹ́ múra rẹ̀ gbogbo tó gbà nìyẹn tẹ́ bá ní góòlù mi tó bá rẹwà jù yí lọ ẹ kàn máa.
Whatever you have, use it now.
Tí wọ́n bá ń ṣe irun ní €1,000 bá mi tẹ̀sán ìjọba ìgbà tí má ti jókòó à ń ṣiṣẹ́ lọ. Máa bá tirẹ̀ lọ. Àbí yóò bá máa bá tirẹ̀ lọ.
Máa fi ayọ̀ jẹ oúnjẹ rẹ.
Yes.
Kí o sì máa fi inú dídùn mu ọtí wáìnì rẹ.
Go your own way.
Celestia ni o máa mu wáìnì.
Eat your food.
Adéwọlé. Celestia ni o máa mu wáìnì.
I'm not talking about wine.
Jabuga ẹ̀ ọmọ adébẹ̀ náà. Ó yà ló mú tẹ̀jẹ́ yẹn. Ó yá.
Nítorí pé Ọlọ́run tẹ́wọ́ gba iṣẹ́ rẹ nísinsìnyí.
Yes.
Jẹ́ kí aṣọ rẹ kí ó fún nígbà gbogbo.
Kó fún nígbà gbogbo.
Kí o sì jẹ́ kí orí rẹ kí ó ṣe aláìní òróró. Kí ó má ṣe aláìní òróró ìkunra.
Báwo tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ ká dáadáa o?
Jẹ́ kí aṣọ rẹ kí ó máa fún nígbà gbogbo.
Kó máa funfun bí ó ṣe wà inú mi sọ dùn. Ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn á túbọ̀ dayọ̀ sí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe wà yẹn àgbàgbà wa. Ọlọ́wà sọ̀rọ̀ fún yín. Ọlọ́wà sọ̀rọ̀ fún àwa náà. Báwo tẹ̀síwájú yẹn?
Kí o sì jẹ́ kí orí rẹ kí ó má ṣe aláìní òróró ìkunra.
Tẹ̀síwájú.
Máa fi ayọ̀ bá aya rẹ gbé.
Máa fi ayọ̀ bá aya rẹ gbé, máa fi ayọ̀ bá ọkọ rẹ gbé. Tẹ̀síwájú.
Tí ìwọ fẹ́ ní gbogbo ọjọ́ ayé ọ̀sán rẹ.
Gbogbo ọjọ́ ayé asán rẹ.
Asán rẹ.
Yes.
Tí o fi fún ọ lábẹ́ ọ̀run ní gbogbo ọjọ́ asán rẹ.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Nítorí èyí ni ìpín tirẹ̀.
Torí èyí ìpín tirẹ̀ ní ayé yìí.
Àti nínú ńláńlá tí ìwọ ṣe.
Nínú ńláńlá kẹ̀rọ gbọdọ̀ ti ní ńláńlá. Nínú ńláńlá.
Ńláńlá tí ìwọ ṣe lábẹ́ ọ̀run. Ohunkóhun tí ọwọ́ rẹ rí ní
ṣíṣe fi gbogbo agbára rẹ ṣe.
Nítorí tí kò sí ète.
Kò sí ète kan, kò sí ète.
Kò sí ète bẹ́ẹ̀ kò sí ìmọ̀.
Kò sí ìmọ̀.
Tàbí ọgbọ́n. Ní ìṣà òkú.
Ní ìṣà òkú.
Níbi tí ìwọ rè.
Báwo ká lédè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì? Ǹjẹ́ kò parí? Kò pín. Tẹ̀síwájú.
Also for the living know.
No English ní mo ní kò kà láti fa 7 yẹn náà.
Go thy way.
Go thy way.
Eat thy bread with joy. And drink thy wine with a merry heart. For God now accepted thy words.
Tẹ̀síwájú.
Let thy garment be always white.
Yes.
And let thy head lack no ornament.
Because I get message yẹn dáadáa pẹ̀lú yóò bá yẹn bó ṣe ń lọ mọ́ra wọn yẹn. So a lè gbọ́ dáadáa ní èdè English yìí. Àwọn èèyàn lè gbọ́ dáadáa mọ́ ránṣẹ́ jáde. Tẹ̀síwájú.
Live joyfully with the wife whom thou lovest all the days of life.
Yes. Of life. Oh.
Lovest all the days of the life.
Of vanity.
Of vanity.
Of the life of thy vanity.
Ọ̀tá fẹ́ kó pè mí yẹn. Tẹ̀síwájú.
Which he had given thee under the sun. All the days of thy vanity.
Yes.
For thou is thy portion.
That's the portion.
In this life.
In this life.
And in thy labor which thou takest under the sun.
Yes.
Whatsoever thou findest to do.
Yeah.
Do it with thy might.
Do it with your mind. Yes.
For there is no work nor device.
No work or device.
Nor knowledge.
No knowledge.
Nor wisdom.
Or wisdom.
In the grave. Without thou goest.
1 Timothy chapter 6 verse 7. Kí n lè gbàdúrà fún ìjọ lọ. 1 Timothy 6 verse 7. Kí ni tó ẹ̀mí kí ni tí bẹ́ẹ̀lì sọ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ ilé ayé. 1 Timothy chapter 6 verse 7.
For we brought nothing into
the world.
And it is certain.
That is certain. It's certain.
We can carry nothing out.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Brought nothing to the world. And by the time you give up the ghost, you go with nothing. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy.
Take it easy.
Enjoy your ride.
Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself in the rulings of the Lord. Do not perpetrate any evil and transgress yourself above the law of God. Because your life will be put down one day. Therefore, beg you in the name of the Lord, whatever you do in the presence of the Lord, I beg you in the name of the Lord, fear the Lord. I give you once again the word. God has harvest for us. You have done what God asked you to do. Ecclesiastes chapter 12. so that our Father can pray for all of you, so that you can bless you. As we meet this year, all of us are celebrating together. 2017 will not meet us. Will not meet us in the grave.
Oh yeah, hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Remember now thy Creator in the days of thy youth.
No, verse 13 and 14.
Let us hear the conclusion of the whole matter.
Yes.
Fear God. Keep his commandments. For this is the whole duty of man.
Oh yes.
For God shall bring every work into judgment.
Why don't you fear the Lord?
The
most helpful thing to our Father and the Lord is whenever God speaks to him. Whether you told him directly or send someone to him. Whatever God told him, whoever that is, you cannot go and arrest him. When he's doing it, you cannot stop him. He created everything, both darkness and the light, and to buy something. Who owns the remaining that you are keeping? May God protect us.
Bye. Jesus is a mighty God, he's a mighty God. Ìlọrin. Only Jesus is a mighty God. He's a babaláwo bow before you. Oníṣègùn bow before you. Babaláwo bow before you. Ìlọrin ló ní. Ìtọ́ lọ́rùn ṣe tirẹ̀, ta ló lè kọjú já sí. Ọmọjọ́ tẹ̀lé jàmbọ̀. Látọ̀run mímọ́ wà ní Ìlọrin. Ẹ ó fàyà, ẹ ó sáyà, ẹ gbé hallelujah. Ẹni tó lọ́rùn ṣe tirẹ̀, ta ló lè kọjú já sí. Ọba Ìlọrin asùgbàgbé orí kan ẹ Ìlọrin lọ́lá ọ̀làrun wọ́n ní mọ́mí bínúbínú kò sì máa bínú mọ́mí kò sì máa pẹ́ gan ọlọ́run wọn bá ti ṣe yìí náà olùṣọ́ Akíndélé sábàdá gànjọ́gànjọ́ Akíndélé asùgbàgbé orí kan ẹ bàbá ẹ má bínú pé gbogbo èyí lórúkọ ṣègbórúkọ làpé ládé orúkọ làpé lóyè Ìlọrin oníyó gbé mílíkì bàbá gbé mílíkì oní kẹ̀kẹ́ iná ló fi gbé ìjà sókè àràmàdà ló ti ti ẹ̀rọ ṣe kẹ̀kẹ́ iná ló fi gbé ìjà sókè àràmàdà ló fi ti ẹ̀rọ Akínládé gbé ìdíró Akíndélé point of correction lake Bobby Boni you don get ala God o. Ìjọ olówó pariwo lẹ́sọ̀ Bobby Boni jọbẹlẹjọ Akíndélé fún mi láyọ̀ ayọ̀ ìgbàlà ni mo fẹ́ Akíndélé fún mi láyọ̀ ayọ̀ ìgbàlà ni mo fẹ́ ìyájọ́ fi fún mi o gbogbo fífi kò tí ìjọ gbogbo lásì wí fún mi o kò tí ìjọ mo ní màṣá wọ́n ní ká fún yín lọ́wọ́ òun ló ní kó máa dún màṣá iṣẹ́ òwúrọ̀ ẹ àti iṣẹ́ ọ̀sán ẹ kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tó ẹ jàyè títí dọjọ́ alẹ́ níbi owó ẹ̀dá ṣe bí ká dára ní àìní owó ẹ̀dá ṣe bí màṣá ọlọ́run má ṣe rẹ ní kòsíkòsí èyí tó ṣiṣẹ́ màṣá ọlọ́run má ṣe ẹ o ní kòsíkòsí èyí tó ṣiṣẹ́ màṣá lónìí ní owó ẹ̀dá ẹnjìníà ti ní ká dára ní àìní owó ẹ̀dá ó ní owó ẹ̀dá o ṣe ní ká dára ní àìní owó ẹ̀dá màṣá lónìí ẹni tán lọ́rùn ṣe tirẹ̀ tọ́lú lè kojú já sí. Prophet Anu Ajayi ẹni tó lọ́rùn ṣe tirẹ̀ Mrs. Ìlọrin ìyá wòlíì Prophetess Mrs. Ìlọrin nínú Olúwa mọ́mì ó ní ẹ wá wò ó mọ́mì ẹ wá wò ó tí Jésù ṣe ẹ wá wò ó tí Jésù ṣe alẹ́ wí lè ṣe alẹ́ ṣe lè wí ó rán ìrànwọ́ rẹ̀ sí wa ẹ wá wò ó wá wò rẹ̀ tí Jésù ṣe wá wò rẹ̀ tí Jésù ṣe alẹ́ wí lè ṣe alẹ́ ṣe lè wí ó rán ìrànwọ́ ẹnjìníà bàbá lónìí one day Tuesday Wednesday Thursday Friday àti lọ sínú Makosa Mr. Ajayi ẹ̀sùn mọ́ mi níbí màṣá. Ó ní ohun mi wà láyé alẹ́. Ohun mi wà láàyè màṣá ó ṣe wó. Ọmọ ló fẹ́ dọjọ́ òní ikú ti bá màṣá. Àìsàn láyé sọ pé kó tó nǹkan ló mú wọn lọ. Ohun mi wà láàyè ó ṣe wó. Ọ̀bùn màṣá. Bámi gbọ́rọ̀ yìí o ìròyìn. Bámi gbọ́rọ̀ yìí o ìròyìn. Bóyá bámi gbọ́rọ̀ yìí o ìròyìn. Sọ́mi bámi gbọ́rọ̀ yìí o ìròyìn. Ó dáná ọba tá ò rí tá a rí iṣẹ́ ọ̀dọ̀ balógun oṣù máa rẹ̀ rẹ̀. Mary balógun ó yá oṣù máa rẹ̀ rẹ̀ o. Oṣù máa rẹ̀ rẹ̀ o.
Be so